Okay, I just took this on gold. I have nothing on the chart at all. All I'm doing is this fractal high to the left right here, and this fractal high right here. That's what I was taking. This one right here went up, tested, both of them came back down and closed below them. This one here opened up below it, went back up, retested this level here, closed below it, and this one here opened up and went up, tested it, and closed below it. So, the target's right here real quick. This is where it automatically populated right there. So, see what happens here. See if I can add, I'll do it on a different one just so it doesn't mess it up. Okay, I just put the again swing on here. So I will also put these that I had on here, and that one, and that one I believe. Yeah, those are the two I had on there. Looking at these numbers here in relation to these numbers here, this is effort number result here. And this is the overnight high right there, or the current trading day high right there. Actually, they might be the same now. 19081, 19081. So this is the current day trading high. You just matched what was over here. And this is the current day low right here. That's the overnight low. See what happens here. There's a fractal right here. The tweezer basically, and this is the prior swing low right here. Let's see what happens. If I had multiple targets, we all trade differently, and I'm not telling you about what to do. I'm just explaining what I would be doing. I would have a target right here where these tweezers are. That'd be target 1. This would be my next target for me. So we could be going up and getting a swing high. Now that we have this created, we do have a pullback buy and a Stooges buy here, and a positive volume delta here. So let's see what happens here. Okay. This is the 3-minute chart. And normally this should be up here. Normally I would have it up there. That's where, because of where I got in, that's where it populated right there. So need to go after this low. Basically it'll combine these numbers with these numbers. So we'll still end it with a positive volume delta down here with a pullback buy and a Stooges buy. I got in later than I would have liked. I would have liked to have gotten in right here. Basically, my charts were opening up, and I noticed this and drew the lines really quick and got in as quickly as I could. So, the numbers combined here. Now we have basically a triple algo to go long right here. I was already in the trade without the MGAN on there, so I have to write it out. We shall see what happens. Okay, I just put this on the 15-minute also. So I'm looking at the 3 and the 15. 15-minute has, this is the prior candle. We just got a new candle, which is this one here. So if we go back, if we go back and look at what's over here, that was the prior day high. Let's try that was the current day high. And actually, if we draw this right here, I believe price might have closed right at it basically. This one here, we're not retested it. We do have a trend pullback by here with a positive volume delta. And looking at these numbers here in relation to the left, it's basically divergence with this one and effort and result with this one. So, and that's my target right here. So I could use this one as my main target, or this one as my main target. I could use this fractal here, I could use this current day low. I could use any of them. We do have a trend pullback buy here, and a buy and balance right here currently. So we need to confirm a swing short. Which this is already lows 3.5. Yeah, I think we've already gotten. So we've already gotten candle number 1 for confirming swing short. So the next candle in 10.5 minutes can confirm swing short. So only 2 time frames I'm looking at. I didn't even have this one open when I jumped in. Still have a triple algo here to go long, so we have to be aware of that. And we may take some heat here while this one here tries to confirm a swing long. Half a minute to go on this candle. It's going to be a long trade. Okay, we do have a triple algo long here. Pullback buy, Studios buy, and a positive volume delta. This takes out this low. These numbers here will combine with these numbers. even on the 15, we have trend pullback buy and a buy and balance here too. So we need some sellers to come in here very strongly and very quickly. So, but we do need to confirm a swing high. You have to be aware of that. What shall happen here? Okay, I just opened up an hourly chart, trying to see what's going on here. On the hourly, we had a pullback short here. That was the current day trading high until this matched it. Up here we have a Stooges short and a negative volume delta here. So what will happen with that one right there? Oops. It's also a fractal right there. Fractal there and a swing high right here. So the key will be what happens right here in the next 21 minutes. Do we close below here? This is the hourly. The hourly has had higher highs and higher lows and higher closes. So like I mentioned, I didn't have all that open. The only one I was looking at was the 3 minute at the time. So trying to confirm a swing high on the 3 minute. Right now, this is the low we need to go after right here. There we go. Still have a triple algo here to go long. It's disappearing. I just brought it to this fractal high here. Stooges buy here. Now this is what's happening on the hourly. This was up here at the time, now it rolled over. Tried to go after its low. 10 seconds left in this candle here. And we will still need to confirm a swing high. But on the 15 minute, we need to confirm a swing short. There's the 15 minute. Still 2.5 minutes left in this candle here. And then we need to confirm a swing short. We have a 0 volume delta right here right now. So I can't leave that there. That's a terrible habit to get into, so please don't do that. I want this to confirm a swing high. And then roll over if it's going to. Large negative volume delta right here. Stooges buy here and a negative volume delta here. So 3-minute candles. So it's going to take a little while. A little over a minute and a half left to go in this candle here. We can confirm a swing high by taking out the high of this candle right here. Negative volume delta. Came up to test this fractal low right here. That's what it's doing. I just moved this back to where it originally was when it opened. When the trade opened, that's where it populated it at. So I should have left it right here or right here if I was going to trail it. But I'd like to get a swing high and then trail it there. Okay, candle's getting ready to close. Now on the 15, right here, we're getting ready to get a new candle. So on here, we need to take out this low right here to confirm a swing short. So we need to go after this low. Try and pull back by. Negative volume delta. On here, it did close above here, this level here, but we have a pretty large negative volume delta here. So now this is the low. If we confirm a swing high or whatever, this is the low we have to go after right here. And where I originally had this, which was right here, that's holding price right there. I think this closed right at it, or one tick below. 1.7, yeah, just closed right at it. That's where I originally had it drawn right there. So this is acting as support. So we need to go after that low right there. And we do have a pretty decent negative volume delta there at the moment. On the hourly, we have Stooges short and negative volume delta up here. And we will need to confirm a swing short on the hourly eventually. And this candle ends in 13 minutes. Make that larger and easier to see. Always helps. Need to go after this high. This low, sorry, and that it will confirm a swing short on the 3 minute also. Still have a decent negative volume delta here. Need to go after this low. Okay, we're going after this low. So we are trying to confirm a swing short on the 3 minute, right here. Need to take out that low right there. And we have our swing short confirmed. And this is telling us buyers are here. So move this back over here. See what's happening here. Right now this is trying to act as support. We have a very, very decent negative volume delta right here. To attempt to go after this low right here. And again, this is the same low we need to take out to confirm a swing short on the 15 minute, sorry. Just less than a minute to go left in this candle here. There we confirm the swing short. And this is what's going on the hourly right here. Now, again, this level here is wanting to act as support. So we need to get through here and close. Two seconds, we need to get through here and close. Close right at it again. 1906. Yep, close right at it. Negative volume delta. Decent one. Now we open this one up with a negative volume delta. And currently this is acting as support. And we do need to confirm a swing high, so we understand that. This close is 1.7. This high is 1.6. There's a 1 tick gap right here. It could go up and try to close right there. Okay, got below this. 2 minutes to go. There is a 1 tick gap right here. Right there. As you can see it right there. Basically what I'm talking about is this candle here closed at one price. This candle here, the high of this candle here is 1 tick below where this one closed. So that's what I'm talking about. And I'll leave that here for now. We do need to go up and close that. Bring this to here. I want to allow this to confirm a swing high before I do anything with my trail. Okay, we just closed that gap right there. Gaps can make very good support resistance levels. Pretty decent negative volume delta here. On the hourly, we have this happening. Still have a stooge short up here with a negative 1 delta. We got below these levels here. Right now we're battling and dancing around this candle's open is what we're doing. So, and there's 6 minutes left in this candle. And we will need to confirm swing short on the hourly. So decent negative volume delta here. This candle opened up with a negative volume delta. We can confirm swing high here, taking out this high right here. Which is basically 1 tick above the gap. Tested the gap again. Will we roll over and take out this high? Right now, no. Right now we have not had a candle close below this level right here. It's been tested twice, and neither one of them closed below it. This one closed right at it. But we haven't had one close below it. Four minutes, a little over 4 minutes left in the hourly. And once again, my target's just right here to the left is swing low. That's where my target is. 2 ticks above that, I believe. Three ticks above it. I'll leave it there. I always put my target just prior to a level, because there's lots of times where the price can come down, you get 1 or 2 ticks for the level that you're trying to reach, and then it rotates. This way it'll take me out if it does that. At least I hope. Still have not had one of these candles close below this level here. We need to go after this low right here. Another decent negative volume delta on the current move. There we go. So this is the low now that we're dealing with right there. This was the gap, and if you notice, the gap was basically right at these tweezers right here. That's where the gap was created, and it got tested twice. And this is what the hourly is doing. And I know it needs confirm swing short, which would take the next 2 hours. Problem is I can't be here for 2 hours, so I'm going to take it if it's my target and be happy for the day. I will trail this now. I actually want to trail it to here, but I don't want this to roll over really quick and pretty good negative volume delta here. So I'll trail to there, just above these tweezers right here. This was, and there we go. This is a trade I took without having any MGAN swing on here. I just saw what was happening here. I did get in later than I would have liked, and that caused me to have a larger stop than I like. But this told me what was going on here with the support resistance levels and the candles. And then once I got in a trade, I was able to add the MGAN swing, and that told me, especially on the larger time frames, that this had a chance to go short. So, thanks.